Hi, I'm Rhashell Romans, a director with Little Rose, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite updo hair accessories, the Swerve pen. I love that they come in fancy, beaded, or plain metals, as well as in the shorts or in the longs. Now, I'm going to share with you just two hairstyles that I do typically in my naturally curly hair. First, we're going to start with the short swerve for a half up bun. So all I'm going to do here is just gather a portion, top portion of my hair, and we're going to twist it and bun it. And we're going to hold it with our swerve pen. So here, I'll take the short. I insert it over here at 2 o'clock with my headwear clock. So the U-pin is upside down. I just grab the side chunk of my bun and I go out about a ½ an inch and I'll gather this scalp hair. So I flip it as I'm touching my scalp, gather that scalp hair. Once I flip it, I insert it into the fattest part of my bun. And there I have a half up style bun, very secure for an all day hold. Next, I'm going to use the long U-pin. This time, we're going to do a Celtic Knot Bun using my whole head of hair. So, I like to give it a little bit of twist over here on the side of my head first. Start out. We're going to just gather our hair back in a pony with our thumb and forefinger. So, and I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to wrap it the first time between my forefinger and my middle finger. There, we're going to take it up and wrap it. And then I'm going to go under my thumb for the remaining wraps. Wrap your hair until there's no hair left over. Then we're going to take our swerve pen. We're going to insert it right there where our forefinger is, going in that little kind of hole we created. Right there, we're going in there. We're going to our scalp, touching our scalp. We're going to flip and then go across our scalp and get a good hold on our bun. So there, we're going to have an all-day hold on our bun. And I think you're going to love the Swerve pen. So go check them out. Tell me below whether you think the shorts or the longs is going to be the perfect fit for you, which you would use most often. I'm Rhashell Romans. Have a blessed day.